agencies invest significant resources responding to potential client RFPs. But there's a common bottleneck: creating the actual proposal. Teams spend hours tailoring content for each client. Other AI tools fail because they force you to abandon your winning templates and start from scratch. LLeMental takes a different approach. Instead of replacing your templates, we enhance them, incorporating AI while preserving everything that makes them effective. Let me show you how this works. We'll create an RFP response for Sweet Harvest Bakery, a Portland artisanal bakery looking for digital marketing help. We'll play the role of Strategic Digital Partners, a digital marketing agency. Looking at our project folder, we have some meeting notes in a Word document. We also performed an SEO analysis and have that data in a PDF. Plus, we compiled market research in a spreadsheet. We also have a tear sheet for our services and pricing we can reference. Now, let's look at our sample digital marketing proposal template. Normally, each time we get a new RFP, we take this template, clear out the previous client's data, compile all our research, and manually create a new, tailored presentation. Sound familiar? With LLeMental, we'll turn this template into a powerful AI tool that automates content generation while preserving our styling and structure. We simply log into platform.LLemental.com and upload our PowerPoint file. Quick note, we're looking at a simplified version, focusing on text content. All images, backgrounds, and styling will be preserved in the final presentation. On our title slide, the client name changes for each presentation, so let's highlight that text. In the pop-up, we provide instructions for the AI. Treat this like talking to ChatGPT. We'll input a prompt so the model knows this is where the company name goes. The rest of the slide stays the same. Our phone number and website remain unchanged across all presentations. If we don't touch it, it won't get changed. Simple as that. Next slide contains information about us, Strategic Digital Partners. This is all static information we want to keep, so let's move to the next slide. Here's a section discussing the client's current situation, perfect for customization. We'll add instructions to analyze the client's situation with specific details we prefer to include. The next slide includes 3 goals for the campaign. Same process: highlight the text and provide guidance. We can be as detailed as we want, controlling length and tone. We can specify whether content is data-driven. We can also choose to focus on specific sources. Whatever works for your team, try out a few different prompts and see how the results change. The final slide is contact information, which we want to keep as is. Now that we've configured our template, we can use it to generate presentations. Let's look at our template library. We can see various templates stored here for different use cases. The beauty of this system is we only configure slides once. Now that the template is saved in our library, we just select it and upload our project documents to generate a presentation instantly. Now I'll upload the source documents that we looked at earlier: our meeting notes, market data, and SEO report. I'll also include our services tear sheet for additional context. For enterprise customers, this gets even better. You can integrate directly with website forms, so RFP requests automatically trigger proposal generation. You can even use website URLs as data sources. Contact our team if interested in these features. Let's hit generate and watch LLeMental work. While it's processing, LLeMental is analyzing all our source materials simultaneously, understanding Sweet Harvest's specific needs, and populating only the sections we've marked for automation. Here's our completed proposal. Let's walk through what changed and what stayed the same. The title now says Sweet Harvest Marketing Plan. Our About Us section, completely unchanged, preserving our agency's proven expertise and results. And like I mentioned, our images are all still here. But look at the situation analysis. It's a comprehensive paragraph drawing from multiple data sources, mentioning their current revenue, challenges, and specific opportunities. Each goal is tailored and specific. Digital presence with SEO targets, social media strategy for younger demos, and wedding cake booking recovery, all based on the actual data we provided. Everything flows naturally, maintains our professional branding, and addresses Sweet Harvest's exact needs, all generated in under a minute. This is the difference between spending hours per proposal and minutes per proposal, between responding next week and responding today, between generic templates and intelligent, personalized proposals that win more business. Start your free trial at platform.LLemental.com.